In this video, I'll show you how to make a diagram in Confluence. Alright, so here we are on Confluence, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the apps drop down, then explore more apps. Then we're going to go to the search bar here and type in diagram. And then we're going to choose Glyphy diagrams for this tutorial. And then you want to go to the top right and click on try it for free. We're then going to the bottom and we're going to click on review. Again at the bottom, start free trial. And let that load up. And once you get a notification that it is done loading, what we're going to do is just go to a Confluence page. So you can just come to the top here and click on create. Or if you already have a page, you can navigate to that page. And then we're going to go to this section here and click /Glyphy. And if it doesn't pop up, you just want to refresh the page and that should sort it out, as you can see here. So let's click on Glyphy. And here you go. And now you can create a whole new diagram. You can import or use templates. I'll just click on the basic one so I can show you the interface. Let's hit create. And here's the Glyphy interface. So you are welcome to experiment here. You can drag and drop in different shapes, containers, and so forth. Drop in some swim lanes. And if we go to the leftmost side of the screen, you'll see these different options here. Most specifically the data linking option, which will allow you to import your own CSV documents. And when you're done, all you need to do is hit save on the top right. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.